Hello everyone. Today we will study about the properties of electromagnetic waves. So what are electromagnetic waves? As we know that these are mutually perpendicular electric and magnetic fields which are oscillating in the space, and the direction of propagation of EM waves is perpendicular to these mutually perpendicular oscillating electric and magnetic fields. So the first property is these do not require material medium for its propagation. Do not require material medium for propagation. Second, the speed of EM waves is 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. Third, in vacuum or space, the speed of light can be written as V naught epsilon naught under root. And in a medium, the speed of EM wave is given by this 1 by under root mu epsilon, where mu is the permeability of the medium and epsilon is the permittivity of the medium. Next is these carry EM waves carry energy and momentum with it. How can we say that? See, if we have an electromagnetic wave traveling along this direction, and if we have charges in a plane perpendicular to this, so these charges will gain energy and momentum. This shows that EM waves carry energy and momentum with them. This shows EM waves carry energy and momentum, and the momentum is given by E upon C, and this is what the momentum is transferred to the charges. So this is momentum transferred by an EM wave, right? Next property we'll take on the next slide. EM waves exert pressure on a surface which is called radiation pressure. The force exerted per unit area, right? So next is the magnetic energy. This is B square upon and the electric energy density with EM wave is half epsilon naught right. So we know that radio and TV stations send signals which carry energy. So we can say that this is due to the property that the EM waves carry energy with them. So we don't need to mention this here again. Yeah, next is EM waves are transverse in nature. What does it mean? Mutually perpendicular, oscillating electric and magnetic field which are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. C is given by or this can also be written as right, or you can say speed of a wave is given by one more form is we know C is equal to nu lambda. So if I multiply and divide this by 2 pi, so we can write C is equal to 2 pi nu upon 2 pi by lambda. So this is what omega upon k. Omega is angular velocity and k is propagation constant of the wave. So this was also one form. So that's all for now. Have a nice day.